Okay guys, I showed you guys a video on how to replace the mirror on the outside. I'm going to show you guys how to, you saw how we removed the door panel, and hell, we're in here. Let's go ahead and remove and replace this door speaker. Let's say you upgrade to an HK system or something better speaker wise. There's 3 screws to remove and replace in the speaker. The screws are the same as the door panel screws. There's 3 of them. Pull those out. Okay. And then you can snug on this. I leave it plugged in so it doesn't fall out. But that's pretty much how you do it. And just unplug it. One plug. There's your speaker. Super light. But it's there. That's how you take it out. Very simple, very easy, not too hard. But there it is. That's how you remove and replace a door speaker on a 13 Impreza. It's the same 13, 14, I think 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, even 17 I believe is all the same. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the passenger door next. It's got the door mirror on there as well. So let's go over there and we'll work on that door.